front of me is OPPO A6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. To get new font style on this OPPO, you don't need to download any app, but you need to find one that's already on it. This one called Theme Store. So when you find it, click on it and wait. Now find perfect font style for you by clicking on Home or Category at the bottom and selecting Font Sections at the top. You can also click on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. Either way, after finding perfect font style, click on it, tap on Apply button, and wait. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wanna go back to your default font style or find all of your downloaded fonts, go into Theme Store again, and this time select Me at the bottom right corner. Most people miss that you can click on My Resources, available here, and click on Font section to not only find all of your downloaded ones and manage them. For example, if you want to delete one, click on this pen at the top right corner, select your font style and choose Delete. You can also tap on Apply under Default to go back to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!